Welcome back to the Form Manager training playlist. In the last video, we learned about the address element. In this video, we'll learn about the options elements together. The options elements give us different ways to make multiple choice sections on our forms. We have 3 different types here with 2 variants of each. In our preview, we can see checkboxes, which lets us make questions where a user can select multiple options. Radios, which lets us make questions that give our user only one value to choose. And select, which lets users pick one option in the drop-down format. The select other variant allows us to make a select field with a custom option as well. So, let's say we want to add a question asking about academic rank, such as freshman, sophomore, junior, etc. For this question, we'll choose radios and input our title as academic rank. And then we'll add each answer we want down under the element options. These will be freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior. We also have some pre-built lists, such as the ASE departments and schools in the drop-down menu. But for now, we'll go ahead, save what we have, and head out to the live version of the form. Here, we can find that we have our questions at the very bottom of the form. But what if we decide we want to have a drop-down instead of radio buttons? We'll go back to the build view and edit the academic rank radio. We'll click the change button at the very top and choose select other as the element we want to change to. And because this is another element, there will be some extra options down here. However, for this case, we'll just click save. We'll return to the live page, and then we'll notice that we have a drop-down instead of a radio list. And that's all there is to know about the options elements. In the next video, we'll cover how to use the file element.